You're bravely defending the castle right now. Big bird is imminent. It's gotten very close to the house. It's going a little bit west, so it's probably not going to come directly over the house like last time. But it's right there, over Mr. Lowe's cornfield. And Evie's not running away, which is a good thing. You're not running away, Evie. This is good. Very good. You're not going to run? Not going to run, are you, Evie? Good. Chewing grass is more important, I guess. Okay. Klondike, you see the big bird? Yeah, he's not coming over our way this time, I think. The wind's going a little, pushing him a little west now. You see him, people? Okay, Klondike. You okay, Evie? Everybody good? Everybody good? You're not afraid? You're not afraid, Evie? Huh? You're not afraid? Oh, those insects. Evie likes to chase insects too. Okay, one last shot of the balloon. One last shot of the balloon. Now we're going inside to make some dinner, guys, okay? That's it. That's it. I'm so glad you're not running into the house, Evie. I'm so glad. You got to stop chewing the grass, though, okay? Evie, it's time for dinner. Time for dinner. Time for dinner.